Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me today from Stealth Global Holdings is Group Managing Director Mike Arnold. Mike, welcome to FNN.
Thanks, Rachel.
Now, first up, Mike, could you start by giving us an introduction to your company?
So Stealth is an international distribution group. We supply safety, industrial, workplace and healthcare consumable products to a wide range of business customers. We have operations in Australia, in Asia, Europe, as well as Africa. We serve multiple customers across a whole host of industry sectors, but traditionally we look after resources, construction, engineering, general trade and manufacturing. We have 3,000 customers, 1,500 suppliers that we source from 17 countries, and we can offer our products to our customers of about 500,000.
Excellent. Now, before we get to your products and services, can I just ask, how does your company differ from, say, someone like Amazon?
Well, Amazon is traditionally an online model, and in our experience try and resolve a problem and talk to somebody in a call centre, but we have an integrated network of branches, call centres, sales representatives. We have an online platform, so we are a disruptor. But we also serve our customer by making sure that we're close to their business and helping them and support their business as they move forward.
Now, let's take a look at your business in more detail. Could you tell me more there about the platform?
Yeah, so we're the only Australian company of our type operating across our 4 key markets. We offer an integrated one-stop shop service for supply and logistics. We work with international companies as far as Africa. We work with domestic companies in local markets of Australia and also in the UK. So the ability for a customer to have a one-stop shop for all their supply and one invoice with presence across a global platform is our point of difference.
And what can you tell me about your customers and your sectors?
Our sectors are very fragmented, and the sectors that we serve are definitely wide stretched. The opportunity for us to expand our business, because it is so fragmented, is opportunistic. We see that in different markets, different economies and different sectors are all driven, so our diversity across our customer base and our sectors gives us the ability to keep a repeat revenue base without the ups and downs such as the resource cycle.
And what can you tell me about your unique service offering?
Well, the uniqueness is that our customers have choice of 500,000 products across our global network. We have exclusive distribution rights with certain brands that are Australian well-known leading brands that we're taking to international markets. We also have our private label range, which at the moment is involved in first aid products for the workplace, and we're looking to expand that quite significantly across our industrial and safety range over the course of the next 3 or 4 years.
Well, now let's talk about your IPO. How much are you looking to raise and where will the funds go?
Yeah, so we're raising $12.5 million. $7.75 million is getting used for an acquisition of a company in Western Australia called Heatley Safety and Industrial. It's a 30-year trading business. Fantastic people, fantastic business, about 2,500 customers, and has a really good reputation in that market. The balance of working capital will be invested in stock, which we'll be putting in our expansion plans, not only in Australia but offshore. And then we also have the ability to, as a cash generating business, to be able to invest in other programs as we move forward.
And Mike, where can investors find out more information?
So on our website, if you click on www.stealthgi.com, the listing of our prospectus and all the information is there. We're well supported by Hartley's as well as Arnold broking firms as joint lead managers. So apart from our website, those organisations can help.
And last question, Mike, why should investors consider investing in your IPO?
Well, we think we're well valued at 4.9 times multiple when we've looked at our peer groups of between 7 or 8.5 times multiple. We're the only Australian company of our type across those 4 markets. We're the only Australian company on the ASX that we know of that is an industrial supplies organisation. We have enormous growth opportunity that we have forecast moving forward, not only in our IPO but a pipeline of opportunities that sits thereafter. So we're hoping to feed some good news stories as the course of the next 6 and 12 months moves forward.
Mike Arnold, thanks for the introduction and best of luck with your IPO.
Thanks, Rachel.